Hi everybody, Mr. Cleveland here for another micro tutorial for Audacity. Let's dive in and take a look, shall we? Today we're going to look at doing a test recording. Alright, so let me just start with a fresh track. I'm going to close them all. When I first get Audacity open, it looks more or less like this, and you can start it off by pressing that big red button. First, you want to make sure your microphones. We did that in the previous time. Alright, so pressing this to do your test record. This is the test recording, testing 1, 2. Please notice a couple of things. Number one, up on the top there, you've got those green bars wiggling back and forth, sometimes turning yellow and red. Ideally, you want it to be positioned at just touching yellow. Into the red gets too loud. You can also check out the wave tracks. These waves are wiggling up and down. Nice, good size waves, nothing too small, nothing too big, because that's going to be better sound quality, signal to noise. All right, I hope this helps you. Check your audio settings, and then you can just go ahead and give it a playback. This is the test recording, testing 1, 2. Please notice a couple of things. All right, it looks like it does seem to be working, so now I'm ready to go and record something. All right, good luck. See ya. Go make something.